Hi there and welcome. My name's Suzanne from Nonstop Papercrafts. Thank you for joining me again on my channel. Okay, so today I just wanted to share with you a couple of ways to use envelopes in your journals. Now I have a big box of all sorts of envelopes, different sizes, different colours, some are patterned, some are plain, some of them are in better condition than others. So I just was trying to sort of play around and see how I could use them in my journal to create some more sort of pockets and tucks. And this is what I've come up with so far. So we'll start by looking at this one. So as you can see, this is the closure of an envelope, and it then forms a little belly band. And then all I've done is just decorated with washi tape at the bottom, and then I've kind of used the same washi tape to kind of hold it down at the top of the page here, and then that obviously keeps it in place for the belly band. The other side of that, so it wraps around the bottom of the page, is this. So again, because it was a plain envelope, I've just used the same washi tape to kind of obviously keep the theme. I've done a little bit of stenciling, and then I've got some book page and a sticker. And what I've got here is a tuck spot, and then a nice big pocket at the back here. Okay, so that's using one envelope. And my second one here, this one gives me a nice space back here, so a nice good big pocket there, and then I've got a tuck spot here, and again this wraps around the page, and I've got the same on the other side. So I've got a nice big pocket there, and again a nice tuck spot there. Okay, so again that's just using one envelope. Now those two envelopes were plain. As I said, I've just used some washi tape to decorate them up. If obviously you've got some patterned ones, or you make your own using patterned paper, then obviously that makes it so much simpler because it's already decorated, so it just makes it quicker. So all you need to do for this one is grab your envelope and you fold it in half, and then you wrap it around the edge of your page, and then all you're going to do is put a bead line of glue along the top and the bottom, and do the same on the other side, and then that gives you your pockets, and then this pocket here, and the same on the other side. You've got a pocket there and a pocket down there. Okay, so that's how you make this one. This does work best if you have an envelope that obviously does have the V. If you've got ones where they kind of are straight along the edge, you could still do it, but obviously you're just going to have a very small tuck spot, so it doesn't work as well. For this one, obviously you need to be mindful of the size of your envelope, because this one, as you can see, is quite wide, so this wouldn't fit. However, I could turn it on its side, which is what I'm going to do in a moment, so that it then fits to the side of the page. Again, if you do not have the V-shape closure and you have one that has a straight edge, you could still do this, but it wouldn't necessarily be a belly band on this side. It would probably just be another pocket, and then you just again glue the sides, and then you've got another pocket on this side. But the rest you could do. So on this side, you literally just fold down the top to create that tuck spot, and then you've got behind there for the pocket. But I'm going to show you how to do this on the side, because obviously, like I said, this one is a larger envelope. So all I would do is, this is then going to go on the side, and then let's try and get that roughly in the middle. I'm not going to use washi tape for this one because I don't want to cover that up, so all I'm going to do is just put some glue underneath just to kind of hold it in place. Okay, and then on the other side, all you do is fold back, and you can make this as deep as you like, but this is going to be obviously your tuck spot. So I'm just going to fold it down there where that flower is. Okay, and then all I'm going to do is glue these two edges. again, just a fine bead of glue down the side and on that side. Glue those down. And then this whole thing then is going to also be glued down to the page. So again, you're just going to need a bead of glue just along the edges, just at the top and just at the bottom. Okay, fold that back over and glue that down. Okay, so that's your option if you have a wider envelope. Now, like I said, this one is lovely decorated, so I don't need to do anything to this. These I did decorate, like I said, because they were plain. But now, because we've glued that down, I mean, obviously, again, you could add other bits of decoration to this page, but you now have your belly band down the back. And then on this side, you have a tuck spot here and a nice pocket back there as well. Okay, so that's just a different way to do this one. So if you have a wider envelope, that one was nice and short. It was a perfect fit, actually. But if you do have some wider ones, then it can work the same way, just up the side. But yeah, like I said, I was just trying to play around, see what different ways I can use some of the envelopes up that I have. And I just thought that these were a nice, simple way to create extra tuck spots and pockets for my journal. I really hope that you found this useful. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. If you would like to see more crafty videos, then please make sure that you subscribe and click the bell button so you are notified of any new videos. You can also find me on social media. Those links will be in the description below. As always, a huge thank you to everyone for watching and supporting the channel. I hope you all have a wonderful crafty day. See you later now. Bye bye.